Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to enable the feature that allows you to take a screenshot with two taps on the back of your iPhone. All I do is double tap and take a screenshot. It's really cool. How do you do that? It's very simple. We go into our iPhone settings and go a little bit lower. Here we select the item accessibility. Here we find the item touch. Now we go lower and find the item back tab. Choose the item that you like. We choose. Now we need to select the item that is responsible for the screenshot. This item. I can now double tap the back cover and I take a screenshot. So that's the easy and working way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.